Hey there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today, we're diving into a word that's all about fine dining, top quality ingredients, and delicious flavors gourmet. But are you pronouncing it correctly? Let's find out. So, how do you say it? The correct pronunciation is gourmet. Let's break it down step by step. The first part is gore, like in gorgeous. And the second part is May, just like the month of May. Now, say it with me gourmet. One more time gourmet. Great job. Here's a quick spelling tip. It's spelled Gourmet. Even though it ends in met, remember, the T is silent. So, what does gourmet mean? It refers to high quality food and drink, often prepared with expert skill or using premium ingredients. Think fine dining, artisanal cheeses, handcrafted chocolates, or Michelin starred restaurants. All gourmet. Fun fact: the word gourmet comes from French and originally referred to a wine expert or wine merchant in the 18th century. Over time, it evolved to describe someone with refined taste in food and drink, and now it refers to high-end cuisine. Some people say gourmet, pronouncing the T, but now you know the T is silent, so it's gourmet. Now, the next time you're talking about fine dining or delicious food, you can say it like a pro. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who loves food. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.